Introducing that, the future of crypto. That is transforming cryptocurrency from a mere speculative investment to a real currency solution for buyers and sellers worldwide. Real-time settlements, no chargebacks, no foreign exchange rates, no hidden fees, ultimately giving you the power to be your own bank and remove all third parties from your finance. Accept a digital payment method with zero processing fees and tap into a rapidly expanding network of new customers. Imagine cryptocurrency you could actually spend, a currency you can use in the real world. Buy a coffee, do some online shopping, see a movie with your friends. It's the way that cryptocurrency should be. There's never been a better time in history to ride the crypto wave than there is now with that. Using that is as simple as using any other banking app on your phone. Market tested with thousands of beta test users and hundreds of businesses, many reporting their best monthly revenue to date through that. We've already seen over 400% increase in adoption of cryptocurrency in Australia alone over the last 18 months, with almost 6 million people in Australia holding some form of cryptocurrency. The world is ready to adopt a new era of finance and use cryptocurrency in their everyday purchases. Right now, you have the opportunity to get in at the ground floor and invest in that during the pre-sale. So get on board and let's change the world of finance together as we empower individuals worldwide through a globally accessible and usable cryptocurrency.